In this video, I will show you how to create a calendar in Google Docs. First, what we need to do, guys, is we need to open up our Google Chrome or any browser. From in here, you're going to search for Google Docs, just like this. Select this one. Now, sign into your Google account right here. Now click on blank document. Mine is in Danish, so you might not be able to understand this, but click on this one. From in here, you can type something, anything, whatever, and choose on insert. Choose this one, and then choose 7 times 6, just like this. Now you can type in the weekdays, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and all the way over. You can even make this bigger. And you can select the days, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. You know what I'm saying. Then you can, if you want, you can color the text. And basically you can just do that, and you can type in, let's say this is in April. Then you can copy all of this, paste a new one, and you can make this one May, and you can put all of them in here if you want. It's really simple, guys. That's how you do it.